gallons of water cascading down in a breathtaking display. Take a boat tour for an up-close encounter or admire the view from above. Discover the beauty of Banff National Park. Hike through stunning trails, marvel at turquoise lakes, and breathe in the fresh mountain air. Banff offers year-round adventures for every traveler. Explore the vibrant city of Vancouver. Nestled between the mountains and the sea, Vancouver offers a unique blend of urban excitement and natural beauty. Discover Stanley Park, Granville Island, and so much more. Step back in time in Quebec City. Wander through cobblestone streets, admire historic architecture, and experience French-Canadian culture. Don't miss the iconic Chateau Frontenac. Ready to plan your Canadian adventure? Subscribe now for more travel tips and inspiration. Visit our website to book your dream